Hello friends, as promised I am here tonight to do a little review for the 30 cal chocolate bars. So as I'm sure you're aware, we do have 4 flavors. Our Brazilianaire, which is a dark chocolate bar with Brazil nuts. We have the Chunky Dunky, which is a bourbon cookie covered in that dark chocolate again. We have the Pistachio, which is pistachio bar, again with that dark chocolate. And lastly, but not leastly, we have the Honeycomb Home, which is a vegan honeycomb, again coated in that dark chocolate. And this is the one I've been really looking forward to trying, so let's give it a try. So as you can see, pretty cool looking packaging here. And all of it is biodegradable, so which is a pretty cool added feature. Pretty cool looking packaging inside. Oh man, that smell. Very intense, very dark chocolate. It smells amazing. And look at that nice coloring of the honeycomb. Oh man, it smells awesome. Okay, let's give it a try. Get chills. So good. Gonna go for another bite. Yes. This is exactly what you're looking for in a chocolate bar. Perfect hit of sweetness, savory that can really tell it's a high quality cocoa. Excellent. Very good. So I would absolutely be buying this if I saw it at a store. They're handing out samples. I would recommend to all my friends and family. Definitely check this out. I'm sure the other flavors are great as well. If any questions or if you want to see me try another one on video, just feel free to drop me a comment.